Alright, got the Rebel V2. It's wet out here, so taking off with one tick of flaps. Get this into high on everything but the ailerons. Here we go. Gears are up. Flaps are up. Whoa, big flock of birds. It's probably the first time I've been out flying in, I'd say probably 3 weeks at least. It's been busy. Sorry, I know it's out a little far. Let me get it in closer. We're just flying along here right now. About 65, maybe 70% throttle. This is on a 4S 2700. I did bring a 5-cell battery out for it. I'll fly it on it in a little bit. There's a timer. High speed in front of us. We'll come around for a gear check. All of them are down. Landing. Whoa.
What type of motor is that?
The size of the motor?
Yes.
Well, it's running on a 4S battery.
Wow.
It's a 11 blade fan on it.
So smooth.
Yeah, it flies great, man. It's